Azure Automation Account is a service provided by Microsoft Azure that allows you to automate various tasks and processes within your Azure environment. It can be thought of as a central hub for all your automation tasks, providing a single location to create, manage, and execute automation scripts and workflow. Within an automation account, you can create various types of automation assets including runbooks, variables, and credentials. Runbooks are scripts that allows you to perform specific actions such as starting or stopping a virtual machine, scale up or scale down resources, or even deploy software updates. Variables and credentials are used to store data and can be used within your runbooks. You will see this when we are doing the demonstration. It also provides a powerful scheduling engine that allows you to schedule your runbooks to run at a specific time or intervals. This can help you automate routine tasks such as backups, system updates, and schedule resource scaling. In addition to scheduling, Azure Automation Account also provides a monitoring and reporting feature that allows you to track the status of your automation task and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. You can review execution logs, performance metrics, and error reports to help you identify and resolve issues. Another important feature of Azure Automation Account is that it supports source control integration. Now, this allows you to control your runbooks and manage changes over time, just like you would in any other code base. This can be useful especially when you're working with large complex automation tasks that requires frequent updates. Overall, Azure Automation Account is a powerful tool that helps you automate and streamline tasks in your Azure environment. Whether you're looking to automate routine tasks or manage complex workflows, Azure Automation Account provides flexible and scalable solutions that can help you get the job done.